If you are an aspiring YouTuber and you are looking for ways, you're looking for niches that can make you money, because there are so many niches on the ground. A lot of people are complaining they might even be monetized, and even it takes them up to 1 year to be to receive their first paycheck, which is $100. Minimum cash out money on YouTube is $100. If you are not making up to $100, you are not going to earn any money. YouTube is not going to pay you money until that money is up to $100. And how can I know that these niches will be able to pay me money? Right now, I'm going to be unleashing those niches, and these niches varies from country to country. YouTube pays according to country, people that are watching your videos, especially all these Oyibo countries, all these Western countries like America, Germany, Canada, UK. Most of these countries, their CPM are very, very high. So if you're an African YouTuber, you might be receiving low, but it's still not bad. If you're up to the game and your game is top notch and people are watching your videos, you will also be making money and can make you a millionaire as fast as anything as possible. So right now, guys, let's dive into this video so that I will be sharing the 5 top niches that you will go into if your goal is actually to make money, so that you will not say, I did not tell you. And you'll not be wasting your time, doing some of the niches, and at the end of the day, you now said, had I known. So let's get right into this. What's up, guys? Hi YouTube, hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's your baby girl Ebys'Lady on the beats, and I'd like to welcome you back to the channel. And one thing you should know, that immediately you start creating videos, you're not going to become a millionaire. But as time goes on, you're creating video, you're being consistent, creating the content that your audience loves to watch. Before you know it, you start counting money. Another thing is that how long people watch your videos. You might be getting lots and lots of views, but minutes they watch, it also matters to YouTube. Yes, YouTube takes time in monitoring how many views that you have and how many minutes people are actually watching that videos. Right now, if you want to become rich, let's go into these particular niches. The first niche I'm going to mention right now is finance niche. Finance niche is one of the niches that can make you very, very rich as fast as possible, as long as you are creating the kind of videos. These particular niches have a high CPM of $200 per 1,000 views. Yes, I've seen it in one of my videos. And sometimes $200, sometimes $150, sometimes $100. And you might go with your RPM like $40. And some people go with $20 depending. And one thing you should know, once you create a video and people are not watching that video, the advertisers' money will start dropping. So CPM for finance niches go up to like $200, $150, $100, and your RPM might be like $40 or even $30, depending on how the video is being watched. If people are watching that particular video for a longer period, that means you're going to make lots of money on that. Another niche, number 2, that can make you good amount of money is what? Business niche. If you are talking about businesses, how to make money, how to business, anything about business ideas, what can you do, side hustles, these particular niches are also going to make you money as long as you are having great views on that particular niche. And this one has a total of like $25, which the advertisers are going to pay, and YouTube are going to be paying you for your RPM like $12, $15, and sometimes $7, and sometimes $8, depending on how long people are watching videos and how many minutes video that you dropped. Another niche that is also going to pay you money is what? Anything social media automation. Social media automation is one of the best niches that you can head into. If you're talking about YouTube, you're talking about Facebook, you're talking about TikTok, and you're also talking about Snapchat, any kind of social media that you are talking about teaching people social media automation, this is actually one of the best niches to go into, and is untapped. Yes, I know a lot of people are there, but people don't know how this thing works. This one attracts a CPM of like $15, and advertisers are also ready to pay you like $5 to $7 to $8 per 1,000 views. One thing you should know, just like I keep telling you, that if people are watching your videos more minutes is going to help you to make money. Because by the time you drop that video and people are watching, and at the time they're not watching, the money will start reducing. So it's first of all more important for you to make sure that people are going to be clicking and watching on your video. And the next particular niche, number four, that can make you money right now is what? That people will love to see you make you rich is what? Travel niche. Travel niche is one of the niches, top niches that can make you good amount of money. You're into travel, you're into adventure. This particular niche is very, very good. Advertisers are going to pay you like $15, and you might go home with like $3 to $4 and sometimes $2 per 1,000 views. And how people watch your videos and how long minutes video that you posted. This is how YouTube pays people. And the CPM is going to be like $3 to $4. Yes. And sometimes maybe five. I don't know, but I know about two, three, $4 per 1,000 views. And the next one is going to be about health channel, health niche. A lot of people are also going to be watching you. If you are going to go into this particular niche, this is another one particular top niche that people love to watch. And this particular niche, they are going to be paying you like $10 to $15 for their advertisers are going to be paying you, and you might go home with like $3 or $3 to $4 depending. And what matters, just I keep as I keep telling you, is how many minutes people are watching your videos. If people are not watching that videos, if you like get up to like 5,000 views, the money is going to be dropping. So guys, if you want to become rich, you want to make money on YouTube, these are the fastest niches to go into that can make you fast money. You can be watching a lot of people, they are getting lots of views, but are they making money? That is the question that you actually need to ask. So these are the niches that I think that if you want to go into it, they're going to make you money. Guys, so baby girl, Ebys'Lady, make sure that you are subscribing to this channel. And if you have any question, please put it on the comment section. Thank you guys. I'll see you next time.